everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these cute little dual tone ears. You'll be making an inner ear piece that is light colored and an outer ear piece that is darker colored. And they make the perfect little deer ears because you can go ahead and fold the bottom part, pinching the bottom a bit for this lovely 3D shape. All right, let's get started. You are going to need medium weight yarn, one color for the inner ear, one color for the outer ear. I'm using an off-white color for the inner ear and a light brown for the outer ear. You're also going to need a 6mm crochet hook and a pair of scissors. Alright, so let's begin. The inner and the outer ear are going to be made using the exact same instructions. What you'll be doing is putting them together and joining them after. You're going to start off by making the inner ear portion, so use your light colored yarn for that. And then you're going to do your outer ear with the darker color. Now, since you're going to be repeating the instructions, I'm just going to save time here by doing it with the darker color, because you're going to fasten off for the first ear, inner ear, but do not fasten off for the outer ear. Let's start. We're going to chain 11. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After you chain 11, you're going to do a slip stitch in the second chain from your hook. So insert your hook there. Pull through for a slip stitch, and you're going to slip stitch in each of the chains across. That's going to be a total of 10 slip stitches here. Just go into one side of the loop and pull through for a slip stitch. Now, after you reach the very end, we're actually going to work on the opposite side. So, I'm now at the very end of my chain. I'm now going to work on this opposite side. So what you're going to do, we're going to insert a stitch in each of these next 10 stitches here. In the first stitch, right here, you're going to insert a half double crochet. So I'm going to go ahead and yarn over, insert my hook into that very first loop, and make a half double crochet. In the second loop here, the second stitch, you're going to put in a double crochet. Then you're going to put in 2 triple crochets. So here's the first triple crochet. Go into the next stitch and do a second triple crochet. In the next stitch, in the next 2 stitches actually, you're going to put in a double crochet each. So here's my first double crochet, my second double crochet in the next stitch, and then the next 2 stitches will be half double crochets. First half double crochet, second half double crochet. My next stitch is going to be a single crochet here. And the very last stitch, way up here, is going to be just a slip stitch, like so. As you can see, we have sort of a angled shape going on here. So that's one half of the ear. We're now going to do the other half of the outer ear piece. To do that, we're going to turn your piece and we're going to work along the other end. and we'll be inserting a stitch in each of these stitches. In the first one here, do a slip stitch. In the second one, a single crochet. Third one, half double crochet. Fourth one, half double crochet. In stitches 5 and 6 here, we're going to do double crochets. In the next two, we're going to do triple crochets. In the next one, just a double crochet. And in the last stitch, just a half double crochet. And you're done with the outer ear. Again, that's the exact same instruction for the inner ear. You repeat it. Just remember not to fasten off. The reason for that is you're going to take the outer ear piece and you're going to continue crocheting around both together. So first, to do that, you're going to have both pieces finished here. Inner ear fastened off. Place the wrong sides. Here are the wrong sides. Here are the right sides. Place the wrong sides together, like so. Just going to hide this tail end inside. And what you'll do now is you're actually going to single crochet the two pieces together. So it's going to look like this. You'll insert your hook into one stitch in the outer ear and go into the same stitch in the inner ear, like so. So we're going through both layers here, and you're going to do a single crochet. Nice and easy. Now go through the next stitch. Remember, you're going through both layers and pull through and do a single crochet. We're going to continue doing this all around. Make sure you're matching it up stitch by stitch. You're going through both layers. And you're going to crochet all the way around the ear. What you can do with these loose ends here is, if you'd like to, you could secure them by tying them together and then hiding them inside of the earpiece. So I'm hiding these ends in between the two layers. That way when I single crochet the two layers together, the tail ends will just be inside. All right, when you finish single crocheting all the way around the ear, you'll notice that your ear is nicely double layered. It'll be plush, and it'll have a slightly wider bottom part and a thinner upper part. What you're going to do is fasten off with a long tail, and when you sew the ear onto your bonnet, you're going to go ahead and pinch the bottom slightly like so, and sew it on for a nice 3D shape. Alright, I hope this was a helpful tutorial for you. Be sure to check out the free pattern on my blog, and happy crocheting! Bye now!